our opening is around the corner. I tell you now, 50% discount for those who are coming to the shop, while 30% discount for those who are shopping online. No let them pass you by you. However, do you want to learn how to use your soaps to make body lotion or body cream? As a matter of fact, it's not only base cream you can use to make your lotion. A lot of people, they be finding it difficult to know what they can use to make their cream. But now I'm not telling you, this is my new method. All you need to do, just take the right soap of your own choice that you know these are whitening soaps, all right? Then add the right additives. Listen to me again. Add the right additives that you know that when you use it, it will work for you. Me, I have my own recipe. My recipe, in fact, as a matter of fact, this is the trending method right now. I'm the one who brought it out. So if you want to copy me, fine, but use the right additives, okay? Put the right additive into the soap that you've blended already, then mix together, put your fragrance. Just follow the description the way I put it on the screen. All right, before you know it, you can see that I use K Brother and I use Nano Extra White and this Kojic Plus, this bleaching soap. All right, so as a matter of fact, when you mix them together and use them morning and night, before you know it, you will see result. And this result you will see a perfect result, no side effect. Okay, the benefit of this cream you make it with this soap is that it doesn't feel heat at all. When you use it, it will just dry on your skin perfectly. A lot of people that complain, I don't want to use lotion, so this is the lotion that you've got to now. Use this soap to make your lotion. Put the right additives and you will get it. All I just want you to do, try by yourself. If you can't get it, fine, that is yours. But me, I've just discovered something out, and which is very great, and it's very, 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 very okay for me, because people have started giving me result upon result about this. So follow what I just told you now. This is just the trending method to make your lotion or your cream now, whitening cream. And funny enough, for those of us who will be making all this whitening cream, we know some will give people redness, some will give people white patches, some will give stretch mark, and you don't have result about it. But this one, it will not give you any stretch mark, because the acidic level in this lotion is all extracted. Okay, it's extracted out with the process. That is why I said you have to follow the way I asked you to do it. Okay, not you will pour this, pour that, put. No, just follow this very simple method. Use the right additive, you will get there. All I just want you to do, watch this video from beginning to the end.